AB to join Roro cargo or Ropax ships to Embark 1503. If you are an AB on board a yacht in Europe and you are European, exclusive for European seafarers, perhaps you want to jump to cargo Roro or Ropax ships, which are 37,000 tons, these Roros cargoes, and then 67,000 tons and above the passenger ships. The wage of AB is 3,100 euro with social security. Italian social security, you know, is 2 years on board, 2 years unemployment, pension after 20 years, and then after 2 years you become employed by the ship owner, you have sanitary assistant, the pension, the whole lot is included. You can really find out about the social security in Italy and what benefits you have now via Google. For example, you can Google it, or if you don't have any experience as 2-3 contracts of AB to have this wage of 3,100 euros, then perhaps you can jump as OS and get 2,200 euros, and then later on board get experience so you can be promoted even more later to the other petty officer positions like a bosun or even a feeder and so on. And if also you would like to go in the kitchen, is 2,800 euros net. But anyway, this video is for ABs. Apply urgently because we are going to need a huge volume, let's say 200 European ABs minimum. Probably you would be able to join the Roro, the cargo ships, and then later on board the cargo ships promote to AB, and then after the cargo go to the Ropax ships. And this is a huge opportunity for you if you are from Bulgaria, Latvia, Estonia, Lithuania, Croatia, Poland, and Spain, Portugal, France, Dutch, Germany, France, did I say France, and so on. Please apply. I'm Greek. Apply urgently because there is a huge proposition for you to think about your long-term stability in the Italian flag, which is security for your family, and that's something that we are here working for every day happily. So thank you very much indeed for your time if you're in a yacht AB, and apply early. Pass through all the social media groups that you have in WhatsApp, in Facebook, Instagram, because it would be a really huge opportunity for you to have stability. This is the biggest company in Europe, so this is huge stability, social security. Bye. Thank you.